Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my February budget with you guys and doing some cash envelope stuffing. So first in my budget, I just wanted to go over my bills. They've changed a lot since the last time I filmed a video. All of my utilities are pretty much covered in my rent, and then I have my cell phone payment and then my college tuition payment. On my expenses side, this month I'm budgeting for gasoline, groceries, eating out, clothing, and trips and events. But also, I have recently joined Amazon Prime because I've been buying a lot from them, as well as a monthly book subscription. So I've included those two into my expenses category. And then as far as my total income goes, this month I was only paid for 3 out of the 4 weeks that I worked. That's just because there's sort of a lapse in payment period when I first joined my job. So I added up the total cost of my bills, the total cost of my expenses, and subtracted those from my total income to calculate how much will be going directly into savings this month. Next month, when I do cash envelope stuffing, I will be getting paid a little bit more, so hopefully I will be saving more as well. So first things first, let's look at gasoline. I've budgeted $120 for gasoline, and like always, this $120 will go into my Costco gas card because that is where I get my gas. So here's my gasoline envelope, and I will be budgeting 250s and 120. For groceries this month, I budgeted $270, and for that, I'll be putting in 7 10s and 10 20s. For eating out this month, I budgeted $100, and for that, I'm going to be putting in 10 $1 bills, 6 $5 bills, 4 $10 bills, and 1 $20 bill. For clothing, I budgeted $100, and for that, I'm going to be putting in 10 $10 bills. And then lastly, for trips and events, I budgeted $110, and for that, I'm going to be putting in 9 $10 bills and 1 $20. So here are my envelopes. Now, it's important to note that for my Amazon Prime and my book subscriptions, I've just left this amount of money in my checking account so that when the time comes, the websites can pull from my bank account and take care of that payment. But everything else is going to be transferred to my savings account, and of course, my bills will be deducted from my checking account as well. So that is my February budget. I'm really trying to get on track again and start 2021 off really strong, especially in February. I know when the summertime comes, things are going to get more expensive, and I have a lot of weddings to go to this year, so budgeting is super important. So thank you guys for listening, and I hope you have a good weekend. Bye.